Hi fam, welcome to a new vlog. Today is a Friday, it is after work. I am in good spirits because it's the beginning of the weekend vlog. I hope you're doing well wherever you are, whatever time you are watching this. We have an action-packed weekend and it's only fitting that we have a vlog to cover all of that. Up is my nail appointment. I'm trying BOA for the first time, so come along with me and then we'll catch up a little later. Yes. What do you mean? Nikki was off a lifting, but I was like,
It's a easy week.
one or two meals.
Okay.
It's not stable.
There is a proper silver one that I want to do next, but I want to do like extensions. But I think my nails are long and strong enough to just do gel snaps.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Well, I've got so much work to do, yet it's the weekend. I'm trying to relax, but how do you relax when you know you have a lot of work to do? Yo, but so fam, I was editing the previous vlog, the vlog that you would have seen by now, and I realized I made a promise again to share my payday routine with you, and I didn't. So I want to do that now before I forget. Okay. So usually 2 days before I get paid, I will then have a look at my payslip, because I always find that it's important. First of all, it's important to have a monthly budget, right? That's where I start. But before I can finalize the budget for the month, I first need to know how much is coming in. Okay, so I confirm my net salary by checking my payslip 2 days before. 2 days or a day before I get paid. Okay, so that's very important because things can change. You know, the amount sometimes is not the same, or whatever, for whatever reason, right? So I always make sure that I check so that I know what the net amount is, and based off of that, then I can then be able to budget. And then when going into a budget, I find it's important to have a budget for each month, because things change. Secondly, your expenses also change. One month you have 5 expenses and the next you've got 10. So you create a budget, or rather I create a budget per month based on the situation of that particular month, and also factoring in what the net salary is for that month. So that's what I do. And then when budgeting, I will look at all sorts of things, like in different categories. And because we are a Christian family, our budget is joint, so we do that together. Yeah, so that's the basis. I think I should also just put that out there, that our budget is also guided by the word of God and the principles therein, and then secondly, I've always followed Dave Ramsey, and I like his approach. I agree with his approach, and because he's also a Christian, it's easy to then have that synergy. Okay, so one of the things that takes priority when doing the budget is giving. So that's very important to my husband and I, so we prioritize that. And then secondly, we look at contributing towards an emergency fund. So that's a monthly thing. Just to give a tip here, if you don't have an emergency fund, please consider having an emergency fund. And you can look at things like a 7-day notice account or a 21-day notice account, or you can even consider a TFSA, like a tax-free savings account, as an emergency fund account that you can use to save your money in, right? Because you will not be taxed on the amount if you want to withdraw or whatever. And just to make a disclaimer, I'm not a finance expert or financial advisor. I don't know any of that. I just go on the knowledge that I have and what has always worked for me. And then thirdly, after ensuring that we have given, we have contributed to an emergency fund, we then look at our monthly expenses. Okay, so whatever is not processed via debit order, I take it upon myself to then ensure that those payments are loaded via EFT. What I have found works best is to schedule payments, especially if you know that this payment, like if I know this payment has to go off maybe for the next 3 months or whatever the case may be, like stock fell and those type of things. I find that it works better for me to just schedule those payments, because I know they're going out monthly, and then I don't need the headache of sitting there and loading payments every month. So in a case where I know that a particular payment goes off monthly, but I don't want a debit order because it's not a debt, I then schedule, right? And some banks, like my bank, will credit you and give you points, cashback, rewards, whatever the case may be, for doing things like that, for scheduling payments, whatever. So whatever reward program that they have, somehow when you schedule payments, you use those resources available within your bank, they reward you. So look into that. Whichever bank you with, I'm sure it's the same across the board most of the time. Yeah, so that's what I do. And whatever is not a monthly expense or a monthly payment, I will then ensure that between payday and the next 5 days, those payments are loaded and ready to go off. So that's what I do. And then very lastly, I'll then spoil myself, because I believe in reward psychology. I believe in rewarding oneself, because life is hard. Life is hard, and a month is a really long time. So when you get to the end of the month and you worked hard, you were dedicated, you played your part, you delivered on your deliverables, your KPIs, all of that jazz. I do feel like it's important to reward oneself. It doesn't always have to be materialistic. For me, I think for the most part, I try to reward myself with experiences, things that can generate memories, and I can always have those memories, like attending events, spending time with loved ones, doing some nice activity, things like that. Like, those are the things that I enjoy spoiling myself with, as opposed to material things. Material, sometimes we need, sometimes they're not needs. They're nice to have, but they're not always a must. So yeah. Also, over and above those experiences or those activities that I'll spend my money towards, I also will spend my money on feminine maintenance. So getting my nails done, go for a wax. If I want to do my hair, I'll go do my hair. It's not always on payday though that I will do those things. Sometimes it's like in the following week or whatever, because I don't know, am I the only one, but I don't like being out and about on payday or pay weekend, because it's insane. Like, the drive to the office today, you should have seen the queue of cars driving into Canal Walk this morning. And I'm just like, do people not work? Because why are people queuing to go to Canal Walk in the morning, like at 11 a.m? Why? Yeah, so I don't like the mall on pay weekend. I tend to stay away. We don't even do our grocery shopping on pay week. Like, we'll probably shop for groceries like 5 days after payday. Yeah. Because I just get overwhelmed. Like, I get overwhelmed. Yeah, but I hope this chat gives you a glimpse into what my pay day or pay week routine looks like. I probably didn't exhaust the list of things that I get up to, but if you guys want more detail, and also in terms of my budget and how I construct the budget and all of that, you can let me know, and maybe that can be a separate video, just to share insights. Nothing, I'm no expert, whatever, just to share what has worked for me and is still working for me. I have had debt before, and it's very difficult to get out of debt. That can also be a separate conversation. Maybe in that budget conversation video, I can talk about that and the strategies that I've used to get out of debt, and have remained out of debt even now. So please let me know if you're interested in that. I wouldn't mind putting together that content for you guys. Yes. Okay, now I can officially get into the weekend. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far, and I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. Please let me know if this is the kind of info you enjoy and whatever coming out of this channel. Okay, cool guys, just to give you an update, I'm back at home. I just concluded work. Well, I concluded work earlier, but I got home and I had 1 or 2 things to do, so I did that. But I'm done now. My nails are done. I'm not going to show you because my nails are really short, and that girl filed them down even more. But I'm happy with the result. I tried the BOA in Clement, and yeah, the service was good, the people were friendly, the space was clean, and it's aesthetically pleasing. So I really don't have any complaints. I love the fact that it's hygienic and clean. not just cute but unhygienic, you know. And I love how everything, I thought the pink will be overwhelming but it was not. It was actually cutesy and very demure. And next time I go there, I'm gonna be very intentional to wear a white dress. I don't think that this black dress was the best option, but yeah, anyway. Okay, cool guys, see you tomorrow. So I'm trying these ones because my thing is like a brown. So that was the thinking. Yes. Okay, babe, thank you. Okay, cool. She can make all the problems disappear. That direction.
Yeah.
On Sundays.
I'm about to. Because it's a Borkett hotel or Mowbray.
Okay, let me see. Oh, where is this? No, I don't have data. I've got social media data only. I'm trying to see where I am now and where this is. Can't you zoom in there and see Lisbeke how far from Enzio? Because I can use Enzio as reference.
Okay.
Oh, Lisbeke, does it run parallel? Oh, Lisbeke is that one. It runs parallel main road.
Yeah.
So are you saying this place is in Lisbeck Road?
Because if it's a N2, Portrait site, it's wait, man. Where is this place? Sharp, in the Costa on Kabuti, what's it, N1, Koyatoropo.
No, or N2 I keep right instead of left.
Like you zoom, I can what's a screenshot this is a shop. Nikara can share this thing there, but obviously on a data, maybe I go.
No, for social media I can. You can send it. Oh, Umina like link. I don't think it will work. But you can try. I don't know, gets it wrong. I feel stuck.
How can spend limit somehow?
I can. Your session timed out.
Please do that.
Your session terminated. What does that mean? Yeah. Yeah, ne?
Almost I think Forest Drive.
Ake Forest. Yeah.
Because more thing, if Elore, this thing in Gwanet, you are far from where you're supposed to be.
Yeah, I just decided to park here at least until I figure out how inky in and then make my way. And she hasn't seen my message yet. Oh, okay. Let me see. Now it's not gonna open on this phone because I don't have data here. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, go back there.
Okay. Le vlogging high possible today, Shane. Like this weekend in J, I just feel like it's not possible. Do I exit here? Yeah, son. This is actually a really nice place, hey babe. Golf club. This one.
I think that's the one.
It's called King David Mowbray. It looks nice. It's sharp. Okay. Alright, so we exit here. Vincent Paliotti and the other one. Ne?
Yeah.
So I'm doing this now for the third time. Driving down this road for the third time. It is so unvloggable today. Like, I think I'll give you guys a story time later because, yeah. Here, let me go in. It's so hot. Damn. Sharpen it.
Welcome and enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
You can find yourself anywhere, a seat anywhere.
So most of you are in the middle of your mat, so if you want to get more in the middle, that's great. Let's put those arms out to show you engage the core. Let's start slowly. Lift up the right leg. Deepening the breath to side, giving that tailbone a massage. Nice. Let's
So well. So Linda Klamini, Tando Mtemba, where are you? Where is she? Over there. Tando's over there, Tando Mtemba. The two of them are not really here to torture you, but I did see that some of you with the scorpion, that was delightful to watch you from where I was, and I was cheering. So if you have any questions, Tando or Linda will be
looking around at this beautiful array of women. I can guarantee you that at the end of our network session, you're probably going to meet your next friend, or your gynae, or your dentist. There's going to be a secret person over here that is really going to impact your life, but you have to do the work. The ripple effect of networking, it's not just about taking a business card and popping it into your purse or popping it into a bucket, but it is how are you going to make an impact. And for the entrepreneurs in our audience, I want you to take advantage of our networking exercise that we are going to do. And it's not about selling. I think when we network and we meet people, we think that we need to ramble off. My name is, I love This is what I did. I was a cheerleader in primary school. I did athletics. You want to give your whole history and expect the other poor person to remember all of this. Think about, so remember, this is an event. Femfest is an event for women, by women, right? And as women, entrepreneurs, Mama, please grab one of the ladies sitting on the bales that's waiting for a cup of tea.
Group of 5. Yes. Group of 5. Who's got this?
Your bodily movies to a complete stranger, right? We're gonna level it up now, okay? Will you believe that you are actually networking without it feeling like networking? Right, so we're now in a group of 5. We're gonna take it up a notch. I want you to form a little cream circle because you're gonna share some intimate information now with each other, right? Might come across as cutesy, okay? And when you're speaking to your kids, right, your voice comes across like mindful, right? And when they make you lick a mouth, then you speak in that other voice that your kids recognize that this woman is about to lose her mind, her head is about to pop her from her body, right? And when the husband makes you mad, there's a certain tone in the voice, né? Right? I want you to think about your most powerful voice. I want you to think about your most powerful voice, and you're going to tell the group, I'm gorgeous in your most powerful voice. Think about it. Number 1, you may go.
a challenge. I did, however, I've dated some lovely men. I dated a lovely little Caucasian man once. You know, you must do your bit to make sure that the country moves forward in the right direction. So I dated cutesy little pet guy. He was so nice. He was very lovely.
Thank you so much. Thank you for playing with me. We will travel this road again. Never compromising. Take each day as it comes. Always interacting. Wait, this is fate. We take each other's energies. Ile sedi la di chaba. Aruteng bana baruda. Disi duling pati. Ari emen kamaudu. Aruteng bana baruda. Tutokili sedi la di chaba.
All the places I hope it means that you'll come home. I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your allergic jeans. The noise I can feel.
Thank you.
Your allergic jeans sensation.
You know, I still have like a lingering cough, and inally, kisala kinali tasty in my throat. Ekaring worse. It tastes and smells like that in my throat. This cough. Morning, fam. I hope you are doing well. It is a Sunday. It is a good day to be alive. We are on our way to church. Just making a stop for matcha because I want matcha. In the car now, my hubby's getting us something to drink. So yeah, I'm gonna carry this Borkett today. I wanted to unbox this in the house, but Sunday mornings are just so difficult to vlog. So I'm gonna carry this. I bought this last year, but I haven't used it, so I thought let me unbox it on camera. You know by now that I have the black one, so yeah. I just love this. It feels like butter, like a marshmallow, similar to the shoes I'm wearing now, but I'm gonna change because they open toe and it's cloudy. This was $8.99. I think it's still $8.99, and I think they have stock now. They restocked on these bags. And they just have these stickers here on the feet of the bag. I actually feel underdressed because it's cloudy It's cloudy and it's gonna rain today, but it's not the clouds I'm worried about, it's the temperature, because I'm wearing this chiffon blouse and it's very lightweight, and the temperature is a bit low this morning. I don't know how I missed that, but yeah. Okay. And inside just has these things that they use to stuff the bag. And this is the dust bag. So let's keep that. And another one of those. So I'm just going to move items from the bag I was carrying yesterday. This is the lip oil by Essence. That's what I currently have on my lips. I don't have earrings on. I'm gonna do that now. And we're actually on time. Like, it's before 8. It's 8 o'clock now. Yeah, so don't mind the ugly packaging. And then some tissues. My feminine wipes. I don't think I need this sunscreen right now. I don't need gum for church. And this, because you greet people, you touch and shake hands and stuff. And also after using the ladies, because sometimes you use and then you touch the door handle and stuff. Yeah, I think that's all that I'm taking from this bag, and this is gonna go into the bag, the boot. Let me try put these on. Is it just me? I don't like using these earring stoppers. I prefer the clear ones. I just feel like these are better. They do a better job and they really secure the earring in place. So that's the earring. I don't know if you can see it. Guys, the sunburn from yesterday, like, I got a proper tan. And the thing is, I avoid the sun because I'm sensitive to it. So yeah, and already as black people, as African people, we are already at a disadvantage because we have low vitamin D levels, and so staying away from the sun just makes it worse in my case. So I have to take vitamin D supplements because my vitamin D is usually low. So I got some good vitamin D yesterday. Ah, thanks, babe.
Which one shop?
Yeah, got it. Why are you looking at me like that?
No, thanks.
No, it's the way you
I'm
looked at me.
observing.
Oh, oh, okay. But you were looking, I felt like you're looking at me. Okay, fam, we're on the way. I'll chat to you later. I'll show you outfit of the day when we get to church. Oh, and did I say I'm feeling better today? I think I just needed to rest and have a good balance and be around loved ones, and have them impart positive words into me. So yeah, because I'm feeling better. Yeah.
Today we are here to stand, to testify that your pain was healed.
Hi fam, so outfit of the day, I'm wearing this blouse from Forever New. This is an old purchase, but I'm wearing it for the first time today. My skirt is from H&M, you know this skirt, and these shoes are old. And then I'm carrying this Borkett that I just unboxed this morning. And then, oh, my earrings are from Poetry. Yeah, they're also an old purchase. I'm wearing them for the first time today, and I just have my Apple Watch, and that's about it. Cool. Hi fam, so yeah, we're done at church. We're still here. Well, yeah, I'm in the car. My husband is getting coffee, and then as soon as he's back, we will be on our way out. The weather is actually nice. Like, I thought I was gonna get cold, but the temperature is actually not bad. The sun is out currently, and yeah, it's nice and warm, but there's a breeze. There's like a very present breeze. There's a lady that's looking at me because I think she's wondering why I'm talking to myself. I think she's wondering, why is this girl talking to herself when she's alone in the car? Why are her lips moving? And she's even laughing. Oh, let me close this door. I feel like the breeze out here is stronger than the aircon inside the church. And the aircon was going, okay? My husband was like, this aircon is pumping. But I feel like that was better than the breeze out here. Yeah, but I should be okay. My notes are on the phone that I'm recording with, but I'm gonna try my best to just give you a summary. So his message was titled Building Yourself Up, and it's a continuation from last week. Yeah, because he started this series last week. Prior to this, he was teaching on, well, after Dream Week, Pastor Art was preaching on transforming your life and transforming your mindset, and speaking about how when you get saved, your mind is the one thing that is not saved, and you have to then take it upon yourself to, or your mind is not transformed, let me put it like that. And so you have to take it upon yourself to work on your brain and your thinking specifically, because a lot of attacks, a lot of challenges that we face, a lot of the lenses that have been added in our lives and that obscure our perspectives or our views on things are because of things that happen and processes in our minds. And a lot of the times the challenges stem from a thought, right? Feeling like you're not good enough, and you're not deserving, or you're not qualified, things like that. And so those thoughts play a very big role in our lives, because eventually they end up making you feel inadequate, and as a result you doubt yourself. You don't believe you're good enough. You constantly question if you need to do things for God or whatever, because you just feel like you're not good enough, even though you have received salvation, right? So that was that message. Then from last week, Pastor Aiden started preaching on building yourself up, and that's the next level, right? And so as part of this message, he has really been working on reminding us that as Christians, we are secure and grounded in Christ. He's the rock. So when things happen, when the storms of life come, they shouldn't faze us, because we're solid on this rock, right, on Christ. And so yeah, so today he was continuing with that message. I'll share the scriptures here on screen and give you a proper summary when I edit this video. So you got your tickets. I like that they added a physical component to it, like in terms of the games and challenges that you guys are gonna do. Yes guys, so hubby just got me a chai latte. Yeah, and there's a men's conference taking place next week, so he'll be attending. We unfortunately have to wait for the rain now. There's some gift ideas here. Okay fam, so on Friday, was it Friday? Thursday, yeah, the 24th, I think it was Thursday. I made a turn at Crocs in the waterfront because remember I was on the hunt for a dress for someone. So on my way to H&M, I saw Crocs still has this Croctober, I think that's what they call it, promotion running. And I had looked for these shoes at Canal Walk. They didn't have my size. So they also didn't have my size at the V&A, but I tried a bigger size. So let's see what I got. So I just wanted to plug you because they still have this promotion. I just don't know when this vlog is gonna launch. I think by the time it launches, it'll already be November because today's the 27th. Yeah. I'm sorry, gay. I'm sorry, but I'll probably post something on Instagram. So I got these. I got these, but I got them in a 6 because they didn't have a 5. And these come in, they come in this color, in a white, an off-white that looks a bit grayish, like soft gray, and in pink. I think they also come in like a nude color, and they had all the colors in store. The problem is the size. I think your size 4 and 5 runs out quicker, so I got these in a 6. I'm gonna try them now and I'll try show you. And then I also got gibbets because you can't buy them and not buy gibbets, because I tried to get like 5 for each shoe. So I got this Borkett one because I'm a Cape Townian now. And then I got this camera one because I am now on YouTube and I'm trying to build my Instagram as well. So yeah, so I'm all about this camera life. And I got the number 4 because I was born on the 4th. And then I got my initial the letters that spell my name. So I'm trying to hold them together. So I got K for the one shoe, and then I got Winnie the Pooh because warm, fun, friendly, cuddly, and that's who I am. And I just got a bow because we're in a bow season right now, and since I cut my hair, I can't really partake in the bow trend, so this is my way of partaking. And then I got this because I love lipstick, and I just wanted a continuation, I guess, of like a reddish pinkish aesthetic. And then I got cherries because I like cherries. And then lastly, I just got this one because the shoe on display had the, and because the Springboks are world champions like 3 times in a row, so I just got that, and because it's gold. So let me try, what should I do? Let me try the shoes on first before we do the whole fitting of the gibbets. And but those shoes are a dismal fail. But then again, what was I thinking buying a size 6? I'm not a size 6. Oh man, so I'm gonna be returning those because they're big. Like my toes don't even make it out there in the front. So okay, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to like it. And you are welcome to also share it with your friends, your family, your community, essentially. Yeah, so they can also get on this fam. Thank you for your support and for subscribing. If you haven't, please remember to subscribe because you don't want to be left outside. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. It'll most probably be a vlog or a video. I'm not sure what, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.